All ratio needs at your fingertips. The 2-minute ratio.
Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the 2-minute ratio. Today we're going to be talking about LEAPs, so let's get started. LEAPs are options contracts that are tied to specific underlying equities or stocks that have an expiration date of longer than a year. In this example, we are going to stick to long-dated call options that fall into this category. Call options have the potential to have unlimited amounts of profit if the underlying equity does two things: rises above the purchase strike price, and it performs this step prior to the predetermined expiration date. Call options trade in 100 stock blocks, so it allows the buyer the opportunity to control large amounts of stock with minimal capital outlays. LEAPs are those types of calls with long expiration dates. In this example, we are looking at buying the Apple 200 call option for $640. See in the green circle. If on or before June of 2019 Apple is above $200 per share, we as the buyer get to keep all profits above that amount. In example 1, if Apple is at $225 a share, by April of next year we will have $25 per share times 100, so $2,500 of in-the-money intrinsic value, plus some amount of time value because the option does not expire until June of 2019. So after we minus out the expenses, we have a profit of over $2,000. Not bad considering only risking $640 and Apple stock only moved $59 a share. In example 2, Apple stock does not go up, so the result is our option expires worthless from the intrinsic and time perspective. Now let's take a look at the profit potential of stocks versus options. In this scenario, if Apple is at $225 per share, if we buy the shares only with our $640, then we only have 3.85 shares and end up with an excellent profit, but nowhere near the profit potential of the options purchase. With the LEAPs option, the stock moved the same amount of distance, but we made a significantly greater profit with the same amount of capital. Small amount of capital, but big results. This concludes the LEAPs video. Tune in next week as we dive into implied volatility. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.
2-minute ratio.